Before managing over $3 million in Facebook advertising spend, I had no idea about how to set up a Facebook ad at all. In fact, the platform was so new at the time, there was almost nobody on the internet even talking about Facebook and Instagram ads. I wish there had been a simple step-by-step video that could have shown me how to set up my very first Facebook ad. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up a Facebook ad step by step. I'm going to explain everything clearly so you can understand all the moving pieces that are involved with your very first Facebook ad. Just before we get started though, consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and smash that like button down below for support. And with that said, let's get into it.